Hi guys, in this video I'm going to talk about JavaScript, TypeScript and its frameworks. In one of my video I talked about the front-end development part. In that I have explained about the HTML, CSS and its frameworks. In this video I am talking about another part of the framework which is very important, which is JavaScript and its frameworks. So keep watching this video till end so that you will get complete idea about the JavaScript and its frameworks and from where you should learn this language and framework without paying anything. So continue watching this video. So guys, first using HTML, CSS, we design or we develop our user interface of the web application. So once we develop it, next phase is to make it interactive and to get data from the backend system. So this phase is really important. So in first phase of the front end development, we write HTML, CSS and its framework, which is Bootstrap. So using any of these we can develop our front end, but it will remain a static web page. But to make it interactive and to get the data from the backend system, to make it dynamic, we have to add some JavaScript or JavaScript based framework. So in this part or in this phase, you have to know very well about the JavaScript language from basics till advanced concept of the JavaScript, because lots of frameworks are based on the JavaScript. So once you learn the JavaScript, next phase is to learn the TypeScript. TypeScript is new form of the JavaScript which are used in the frameworks which are Angular, React or Vue.js. So all these frameworks are based on TypeScript. So it is really important to understand the TypeScript framework very well. But prior to TypeScript, it is really important to understand the JavaScript language. So first you have to understand the JavaScript language. Then next phase is to learn about the TypeScript, how TypeScript works, what are the syntaxes and how we can write TypeScript code. Because in frameworks everywhere TypeScripts are used. So after that we have to learn about Angular. So Angular is a framework. So you can use it to make our website interactive and to call the backend APIs to get data from backend to frontend. Another framework is React. So you can use this one as well. So using this React also you can make your website interactive and to get data from the backend. And one more popular framework which is Vue.js. So you can use this framework as well to make it interactive and to get data from the backend. So using all these things, after learning the JavaScript, after learning any one of out of three frameworks, you can make your website interactive. So next thing I'm going to explain from where you can learn all these things without paying anything. So let's see. So guys, to learn the JavaScript, we have to go to the W3 schools. So here in search you have to search w3schools.com. So once you will go land to the W3 schools website, so here in search bar you can search JavaScript. So here you can see it is showing the JavaScript tutorial option. So you have to click in this tutorial option and you will land on JavaScript tutorial page. So here in tutorial page, here in left side you can see all the topics are available and you can select any topics from starting and you can start learning. So once you will go, for example I have clicked on the introduction part. So here you can go through the introduction and you can learn about what is JavaScript and all. And the best thing is in this website you can try your hands-on also. So here you can see once I clicked on try it yourself, it will take you to the editor. So in editor you can go and you can type the code whatever you are learning from here. So this is how you can learn the JavaScript from the W3 schools, so which is free of cost. And here in left side you can go and you can find lots of I think all the topics are covered of the JavaScript, and here you can see the JS version, JavaScript object, JavaScript function, JavaScript classes, JS async, JS HTML DOM related, JS browser BOM related topics, JS web APIs related topics, JS Ajax related topics, JS JSON, JS versus jQuery, JS graphics, JS examples, JS references. So basically it has covered complete JavaScript language. So you can learn from basic till advanced of advanced topic of the JavaScript, and you can achieve really good knowledge from here about the JavaScript. So once you have learned the JavaScript, next phase is the TypeScript. So after learning JavaScript, you can search here TypeScript. So here you can see the TypeScript tutorial is coming in drop down. So from here you can select the TypeScript tutorial, and once you will click on the TypeScript tutorial, it will take you to the TypeScript tutorial web page, and from here you can learn the TypeScript as well. So here in left side you can see here very few things are in TypeScript, so you can learn quickly after learning the JavaScript. And similarly here you can also try and write your code in editor. So this is how you can learn TypeScript from W3 school. So after learning TypeScript, next phase is to learn about any framework. Either you can learn Angular, you can learn Vue.js, you can learn React. So any one framework you should learn. So here if you will type Angular, and it will take you to the Angular JS. So from here you can learn the basics of the Angular JS framework. And next phase is, so here again if you will search about the React, so here you can find the React framework tutorial. So in frameworks, here you can get the basic idea about the frameworks and you can start implementing it. So similarly for Vue.js also you can find the Vue.js related tutorial here. So you can learn all the three frameworks basics from here, but to learn the advanced things you have to go to its official website. So from there you can learn the advanced topic of the frameworks. But after learning basics things, you can start implementation, and slowly you can start trying to learn the advanced concepts of the frameworks. So this is how you can learn JavaScript, TypeScript and any out of three frameworks from here. So guys, you have seen what all things you need to learn to make your website interactive and to get data from the backend. So basically I have explained about JavaScript, TypeScript and its frameworks. So you can learn all these things to make it interactive, and also I have explained you from where you can learn it without paying anything. So I hope you have liked my video and you have got enough information about the JavaScript, TypeScript and its frameworks to start your front-end journey. So I hope this information will helpful for you to start learning about the front end. So if you like my video, please subscribe to my channel and please click on the bell icon. So thanks for watching my video.